In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to link related tasks across projects. Linking tasks is really helpful when you're working on multiple projects that depend on each other. It lets you see what needs to be finished first, what's blocking progress, and how work connects across your workspace. In this walkthrough, I'll show you how to set up those links using task dependencies step by step. First, start by selecting a task that you want to link. Open your project management tool and go to the project where the task lives. Find the specific task in your list or board view and click on it to open the task details. This is important because dependencies are usually created from within the task you want to connect. Make sure you've got the right task selected, especially if you have similar task names in different projects. Once the task is open, look towards the top of the task window for a small plus icon. This plus sign is typically used to add additional properties or relationships to the task, like subtasks, followers, or in this case, dependencies. Click on that plus sign above the task. If you don't see it immediately, try hovering your mouse around the header area of the task window, as some interfaces only show these icons when you hover. After clicking the plus sign, you'll see a small menu or drop-down appear. From that menu, choose the option labeled Dependency. This tells the system that you want to define a relationship between this task and another one, possibly in a different project. Dependencies usually let you indicate whether this task is blocking another task, is blocked by another task, or simply related to it. Once you've clicked on dependency, just follow the on-screen prompts. You'll typically be asked to search for or select the other task you want to link to. This might involve typing the task name, browsing through projects, or filtering by assignee or status. Take a moment to double check that you're choosing the correct task, especially when linking across projects. Next, confirm the type of dependency. For example, you might set it so this task cannot start until another task is completed, or mark it as a simple related task without strict timing rules. When you're happy with the setup, save or confirm the dependency. After that, your tasks will be linked across projects. You should now see the dependency listed inside the task details, making it much easier to track how work is connected and to manage progress across your entire portfolio.